us now look at naming another leader outside the Sharif family to hold the post of the Prime Minister till Mian Nawaz Sharif is absolved of these charges, as he can appeal against this verdict. So that remains to be seen, but yes, it is a big upheaval in Pakistani politics, Rukma.
Right, and meanwhile, reports have been suggesting that the country itself, the entire country itself, is divided over support and opposition towards the Prime Minister himself.
Could you please repeat your question, Rukma?
Right, they said that the divisions in opinion about how guilty the Prime Minister is, and about how serious the accusations are against him. There are divisions in the country itself.
Well, it's widely believed that Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif has indulged in corruption, and he has indulged in corruption over a period of time during his various terms. That is the widespread belief in Pakistan, but because he holds, he heads one of the largest parties of Pakistan, and his party is a very strong party, especially in the Punjab province. So he has a lot of supporters. So that division that you see or that you're talking about really stems from that. But generally, it's a widespread belief among the people of Pakistan, the political class of Pakistan, that Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif has being a corrupt Prime Minister.
Right, Amritpal, well, stay with us. Also, we have with us Siddhant Sibal, but joining us right now is political expert Uday Bhaskar. Thank you very much, sir, for speaking with DD News. Sir, your reactions to this development, breaking news coming in, Pak Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif has been disqualified by the Pakistan Supreme Court.
If we review the run-up to the decision that has been awarded today, I think this should not come as a surprise, because if you look at the manner in which the post-Panama leak investigation had been conducted in Pakistan, it appeared that there was a case being built up to indict Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif for transgressions, misuse of office, and the various, I would say, investigative leads that connected his family to assets both in Pakistan and abroad.
Mr. Bhaskar, I have to interrupt you at this point. We have some live input coming in there from Pakistan.
के लिए सबसे बेहतरीन मौका है। मैं तमाम लोगों को मुबारकबाद देता हूँ, एक बार फिर मुबारकबाद देता हूँ आपको बहुत।
साहब ये बताएं, वज़ीर-ए-आज़म नवाज शरीफ मेना मानू के जिस पर आज हुआ था कांड है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट का फैसला आ गया, नाहल हो गया, आप क्या मशवरा देंगे?
नवाज शरीफ साहब ने चाहे जो भी बातें की हैं, इनके लोगों ने जो भी बातें की हैं, आज वो कानून के सामने उनको सर झुकाना पड़ेगा। कानून के सामने सर झुकाना पड़ेगा। आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट का वाज़े ऑर्डर आया, वाज़े इमीडिएट इफेक्ट के साथ, यानी कि फौरन इलेक्शन कमीशन नोटिफिकेशन इशू कर दे और नवाज शरीफ साहब को बरतरफ कर दिया जाए। थैंक यू, अल्लाह का शुक्रिया।
Well, coming back to you, Mr. Bhaskar, we just heard that reaction there. Pakistan, in Pakistan politics, how would you see the impact of this latest development?
Yeah, just to complete what I was saying, the path or the run-up to the decision is no surprise.
Right.
But as an analyst, I would say that what happens from now onward in terms of the domestic politics of Pakistan, the PML itself as a party